Chris Morrison, Morrison team with RETSY. We're here in Mountain Shadows West. It's a Villaggio build with Francis Hill interiors. This one is 100% on par for all the design trends that are popular right now. Come check it out. The kitchen features Wolf Sub-Zero appliances throughout, massive island with seating, including the wine fridge and espresso maker. The floor plan is split with a generous sized master suite with Camelback Mountain views and a fireplace. With the large golf course lot, pool, Ramada with custom outdoor Wolf Sub-Zero kitchen, this home is perfect for summer entertaining. Luxury builder Villaggio Homes meticulously crafted this one-of-a-kind home featuring absolute stunning views of Camelback Mountain.